I'm here at W Punta Cana, their first entry into the all-inclusive world. This is an adults-only resort, and I'm getting a sneak peek. It's opening in just a few weeks, and I'm in a Premier Deluxe King Swim Out. So you're going to see how beautiful this is, all the use of the materials. As soon as you walk in, the first thing I said is, oh my gosh, I love the stone. So they have this beautiful stone wall, which is separating the bathroom area from the living area, your main bedroom area. And what is super cool is normally you would either have the option of one king or two doubles, but here you have the option of one king or two kings. So talk about a spacious room. Can you imagine having two king beds in here? So plenty of space if you have just older adults, maybe they're 18, 20, you've got mom and dad, and then you've got a 20-year-old and a 21-year-old, you want a bigger bed. And look at that swim out there. And all of the greenery you'll see out here, this is all freshly planted, so in a couple of months, it will all be filled in and be absolutely beautiful, like you're walking through a mangrove and the ocean is just right out there. So again, this is a beautiful room. I'm so excited to be here and see it. I really have had my eye on this resort for quite some time, for couples, for our destination weddings. I'm really excited. Again, this is the first entry into the all-inclusive world for W Hotels, which we all know and love that brand. So excited to be here. Can't wait to help you get here. Please reach out to me. I'm so excited about this one.